Wouldn't you love to see inside a private cottage on Mackinac Island? Today, I'm taking you through the Sunny Honey Cottage at the inn at Stonecliffe. These private cottages are perfect for families or groups who want a little more space. We stayed here with our family of 5, and I'm excited to show you what it looks like. Let's go take a look. If you've never heard of Mackinac Island before, it's a tiny island located in Lake Huron here in Michigan. There are no cars on the island, so you get around by horse and carriage, biking, or walking, which honestly is part of what makes it so special. The inn at Stonecliffe is on the west side of Mackinac Island, which means it's quieter, more laid back, and honestly just really peaceful compared to staying downtown. What I love about Stonecliffe is that you have options. You can stay in the historic mansion or the summer house, which both have hotel-style rooms, or in a private cottage like this one. This cottage is called Sunny Honey, and between the rocking chairs on the front porch and the views of the straits, it definitely gives you permission to slow down. Come with me and I'll show you around. Welcome to the Sunny Honey Cottage. We stayed here with our family of 5, and the second we walked in, it just felt right. Everyone has room to breathe, but you're still all together. It has that relaxed luxury feel, beautiful, comfortable, and not stuffy at all. The living room is such a great hangout space, and then you have even more room upstairs, which is huge when you're traveling with kids. This is really where we spend a lot of our time. The dining area and kitchen are totally open, so whether it was breakfast, snacks, or just sitting around talking, it all kind of happens right here. And these doors lead out to a private deck with garden views. Super quiet, peaceful, perfect for coffee in the morning or just sitting out here at the end of the day. A full laundry room and half bath right on the main floor. So practical and honestly just really nice to have. Back through the kitchen is the main level bedroom, which I loved because it feels a little tucked away from the rest of the house. This room is calm and cozy and just a really good place to crash after a full day on the island. And the bathroom is great. Dual vanities, walk-in shower, and a big walk-in closet. It definitely has that relaxed luxury feel. Alright, let's head back through the living room and go upstairs. A little side note, there is a closet right by the front door with board games, umbrellas for rainy days, and even a broom and vacuum. Anyone traveling with kids can appreciate that. Are you enjoying this cottage tour? Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you've been to Mackinac Island before, let us know in the comments what's your favorite thing to do while you're there. If you're lucky enough to be planning a trip to Mackinac Island, make sure to check out our Mackinac Island Travel Tips and Suggestions Facebook group. It's filled with thousands of people actively planning, asking questions, and sharing real experiences. I'll put the link to join in the description below, and we'd love to see you there. Now, let's get back to our tour. At the top of the stairs, there is a little seating area with a pull-out sofa. This worked really well for us and gave the kids their own space to hang out. This is one of the 2 bedrooms upstairs. It has a queen-size bed, a TV, and plenty of closet space. Simple, comfortable, and easy. And the views from up here are so pretty. You can see the lawn and the straits, which never gets old. Between the upstairs bedrooms is a big shared bathroom with a tub and shower combo. Plenty of space for everyone to get ready without stepping on each other. The second upstairs bedroom is laid out the same way, which makes it great for families or groups. This room looks out towards the Stonecliffe mansion on one side, and then the lawn and straits on the other. Overall, the Sunny Honey Cottage just felt perfect. Plenty of space, really comfortable, and that perfect Stonecliffe vibe. Relaxed, beautiful, and family friendly without feeling like you're in a hotel. If you're traveling with kids or a group, this is such a great option. Thanks so much for watching and touring the Sunny Honey Cottage with me. If you want more information about the Inn at Stonecliffe, I've put some helpful links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.